from DALEDOESFITNESS here. I just want to bring up a topic to talk about here, and it's about the realm of steroids. I hear too many people glorifying steroids, telling people you should jump onto the cycle of like testing, throw in Primo, throw in Masteron, throw in Trend, and watch how big you're gonna blow up and everything. Man, people, you can't listen to everybody else there. Yes, you're gonna blow up big, but you're gonna have a lot of negative side effects that comes with that. Like death that can really occur, heart attacks, strokes, blood clots, cirrhosis of the liver, your kidneys shutting down. You could even have to have amputation of limbs, of muscle taken out because of a dirty injection. Trend is a very dangerous drug to take. Something I will never even touch. Anybody wanted to do a non-HRT cycle and come off my HRT and just blast all these things. I won't touch Trend because of how toxic it is to the kidneys and to the liver. So please, people, don't listen to everybody online talking about the steroids and glorifying them, making them sound so phenomenal, so great that you need to have it just to be able to achieve this physique or have this kind of strength and muscle or just become famous, because it's not going to make you famous. It's going to get you on a video called Natty or Not, coming from me, from Greg Doucette, from More Plates, More Dates, from a whole bunch of different people. We're going to end up calling you out on that stuff. So stop listening to people, stay natural, and don't let people make that stuff sound so good. Because if something sounds so good, it's too good to be true. So please, be safe. Don't take it unless it's prescribed to you by your doctor, and only take the dose that you are told to take only. Have a wonderful day, and God bless you all, and let's hit that 500 subscribers. We're so close to it. We're only like 152 subscribers away. Bye, everyone.